Today we visit this beautiful abandoned red brick Victorian that was built in 1881. It's now in the heart of the city, and after 22 years, only $300 has been paid in taxes. So here it sits, abandoned, neglected, and hopefully someone will save it. Let's check it out. Let's check out the porch. Roof has seen better days. All the windows have bars on them. So this door, I don't know how tall they are, but he's probably 6 feet, and it's probably another 4 feet taller. So it's probably 10-foot tall doors and 12-foot tall ceilings. It's just madness. Many of the doorways are arched. You can see how that one's arched there. It's a brick house. And that's probably the only reason it's still standing. Looks like it may have been converted into a nursing home at some point. But look at these doors. I'm 5'10", and I'm at least 2 foot away between the top of my hand above my head and the top of that door. Like many mansions that have been converted into nursing homes, the fireplaces were bricked or boarded up, which is sad, along with some of the windows. Look at this curved doorway with the original blue paint. Looks like some of the walls were added. So this wall is original, but this wall has been added. You can see the paneling, and you can see the standard size door. It's one of just a few in this place. There's the upstairs. We'll head there next. Don't forget to mask up. Ooh, the bathroom. The sink is obviously not original, but I think the tub is. The toilet's probably not original either. What is this? A Walkman? We continue toward the back of the house. The floors throughout the whole house are almost non-existent. We're in the kitchen. but it's a little hard to navigate. Look at these cabinets. Look how tall these cabinet doors are. I doubt somebody has opened those up in years. You can see right through the roof in many locations. And right to the basement, where we can see some toys and other artifacts. This whole floor, even the beams, is almost gone. But I want to see this spoon. Whew. I almost couldn't reach. I almost couldn't reach the spoon. Is that a cool spoon?
It's worth going in that room, but
It's not quite worth going in this room. Looks like there's a bunch of stuff in the basement. So this is the back mud room. Kind of like a porch. Looks like the last time this room was used was for someone's birthday. You can see the banner around the outside. That is one tall door. And that is one creepy basement. Let's check out the basement. So let's head down in the basement. You can see a wrench and some other artifacts, but the stairs are far from in great shape. There's also a car battery and a toaster oven. What I'm worried about most in the basement is really just animals. It's full of stuff. And it's actually, you can walk around in it. I thought there would be a good chance this would just be like a crawl space, but it actually is a full basement. Complete with cobwebs and some stuff. Like this yellow sport AM/FM radio. This basement's big.
yeah.
Huge boiler. And a hippie gnome. Tell me that doesn't give you nightmares. Look at this storage room. It's full of these huge, awesome glass bottles. And as sad as it is to say, I think we have to go inside. Look at all this stuff in here. So we found some wine bottles so far. We found an action figure, some shoes, no bodies yet, a box of champagne, and lots of bottles. Look at that light bulb.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
It's definitely an old house. You can look at the foundation. It's all block, or it's all stone. So if you're wondering what a pipe looks like when it bursts, now you know. That's pretty interesting.
Yeah, I probably like the same thing. But...
We got one last room in the basement. It's really muddy. The foundation's actually caving in. Look at this. We got some ammunition. And it's full.
What?
We've got fireworks, firecrackers. We've got a box of, I think probably 45s. 2 boxes. And a gun cleaning kit. Looks like 9mm. Yep, 9mm. My guess is those aren't any good. My guess is these aren't any good either. Fireworks. Another box. Can never be too safe. Safety glasses. A rusted metal tin. Crossbow wax. And some, I don't know what round that is. Interesting. I can hear people outside. So we made it back up. There was not anyone here. It was a tree that's leaning up against the house. So let's head upstairs. There's also an attic. We'll make sure we check out that too. Wonder how long those blinds have been blowing in the wind, or those curtains have been blowing in the wind. My guess is many, many, many winters. That door's stuck and there's no getting it open. Somebody left their room key. There's some newer block where they bricked in or blocked in a window. But here in this room, they got rid of one window. There used to be a fireplace there, but you've still got 2 windows with curtains. And as you can see from here, the roof on the outside is definitely not in great shape. But you can also see the decorative woodwork all around the outside. Looks like somebody nailed a piece of fabric or a pillow over top of this open window, but that's been many years. You can actually see the electrical work on the house built into the brick wall, but it's all long corroded. It's really sad to see a house in this poor of shape. Really small closets. We're not sure if those closets were original, if they were always that size, or if they were framed in for some reason. Here we've got the attic, but let's check out this last room before we do. My guess is this is the access for above the porch. Yep, and there's still some stuff in here. There's also a huge hole in the ceiling and the floor. This window has long fallen in. Here's another access. Let's go check out the attic. We'll start with lots of records. Soul to Soul. I'll Be Good to You. Jazzy Groove. Cool Cat. Heavy D and the Boys from the year 2000. I can't believe someone lived here in 2000. It had to have been in awful shape even then. Wow, it's full of records. Looks like there used to be roof access, but it's long gone. This part of the roof is not bad. There's a drill. Lots of clothes. Lots more records. Okay, I think it's that time to head down. See what else we find. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, share it on social media. It definitely helps us out. Until next time, be safe out there.